For the second example, I'm going to demonstrate how NVDA presents a table that does not have semantic markup. To do that, I'm going to go to the Example 1 Non-Table Nodes heading.
Main landmark grid semantics examples heading level, basic table, example 1, non-table nodes heading level 2.
Then just as before, I'm going to use T to jump to the next table.
Animals at the Seattle Aquarium, broken semantics table with 4 rows and 2 columns. Animals at the Seattle Aquarium, broken semantics.
I'm going to scroll down a bit just so it's in the middle of the screen. So it immediately announced the wrong number of columns. It said there were 2 columns when in fact there are 3. This is because the checkbox is not actually in a cell. To demonstrate that, I'm going to go to the first element in the table, just using caret navigation.
Checkbox not check, select all rows.
Now I'm going to try to use Control, Alt, and arrow keys to navigate between cells.
Not in a table cell, not in a table cell.
So it's not letting me. I can kind of force NVDA to go to the next item just using normal caret navigation again.
Row 1 column 1 species.
So now it thinks I'm actually in a cell in the table. Let's see what happens if I try to go to the next row in the species column. So it should announce sea otter.
Row 2 3.
And it did not. It actually jumped to the number 3, which is in the wrong column. It didn't actually see sea otter as a cell. I can go there again by force using caret navigation.
Cell sea otter.
And it thinks it's a table cell, but if I try to use Control, Alt, and arrow keys,
not in a table cell, not in a table cell, not in a table cell.
It no longer thinks it's in a table cell, and that's because of this extra section element. So yeah, that's how NVDA is now failing to present this as a real table.